Hi guys, today we are gonna unbox the iPhone XS. Now let's unbox it. We open, we can see that it's designed by Apple in California. There's something inside it, we'll take it. There's a pin. Here's the pin. We'll take the phone out now. It's a space gray color phone. I'll show you the phone later. Now we'll take others from the box. We have the earphones. This is the earphones. We'll take the adapter out from the box. Here the adapter. This adapter is different from the others, and this has a different pin. We'll take the cable out from the box. It's the same cable used in all iPhones. Now we'll open the earphones. When we open, we can see that it has a different jack. It's not the normal jack in iPhones. Now we'll see how long does the iPhone take to on. It took 20 seconds to on, and it takes 3 hours 5 minutes to charge. I like to end up the video with this, and please subscribe the channel.